Cleaning door jambs with the NV2300 is just as easy. We're going to use the steamer on its wet mode and just get into the door jambs and spray the steam first to get any residual salt or dirt that might be in the door jambs. Then we can spray our Optimum OptiClean or no rinse onto the jambs and then just wipe it down. So a door jam that's even a little dirty or a lot dirty, the steamer is going to have an easy time of it. Now we can just spray our Optimum OptiClean inside the jam and wipe it down. And within no time, we're done. We got nice door jams. We could also put the brush attachment on the steamer here if the door jams were really dirty and we needed a little bit more agitation. But because we used the steam first and blew out most of the dirt inside the door jam, we'll be left with perfect door jams on a professional detail. And it's as simple as that, and that quick to get a door jam done really quick. Now you don't want to do both door jams together. You do one door jam with the back door closed. Now when we're done with the front, we can open up the back door and do the same thing and blow out the back door jam. And realizing that a steamer is not a pressure washer, but we're doing an excellent job cleaning this car with just the steamer combined with our waterless product with very little water usage, and it's a steamer with 120 volt electricity.